Morning guys, so we've been busy off camera. We've got a little bay in. This is where oak's going to come out, like a oak frame. It's going to come out like a porch. So it's going to go into here, corner, and then straight into there, which we're going to be starting today. And we've got inside done, ready for roof, but we're going to start roofing it when we get all low. So, and then felt will run all the way through. We've just started cutting these. So we've cut top, we've cut these, that's mortised in, so that'll be pegged. And then this one here, we're going to cheat. So we're just going to have it on, and then we're just going to have some mechanical fixings into that, because it's not seen. But when we do oak carport over there, we will have to do everything mortised. But for this, we're not going to, because we can, it's not going to be seen, so we'll just mechanical fix that. So we've got these two cut. I'm going to try them on in a minute, and then we need to do a cut for ridge. We've got some purlins to cut in, and it's all going to be done in 6x6 this, and they were done in 9x3s. So there's a bit of working out to do. And then we've come out further with this, and then these are bars that are going to go, so they're going to go that way for his roof to sit on. So we're going to have to, probably going to put an half lap joint in, so they can go that way, same on the other side. And then we'll have to mortise under here, so we can put his posts in. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll try it in, see if this fits first, and then we'll go from there. Oh, it needs to go my way. Bit more in it. Yeah. Well, we'll just try it on the side in it first, see that. So, yeah. Helicopter. Right, please. Jump going. Oh, you bugger up!
What we're doing?
Well, I've never seen two people doing that. So we just cut this back in and got that bit closer. But this is a ridge beam. The only problem is we oak. It's bent. So that's the straight side, which we're going to use for the top. But can you see the arc? We're like 15 mil in middle. But we can't use it as a post, because I could have used it as a post going up, but it's just going to be even worse. So we're going to have to use it for the ridge, and there's two more bad ones as well, which we're going to have to use for purlins, which means it's going to be a bit of a, once we get it on that roof, we're going to have to cut us, when his rafters go on, we're going to have to cut his rafters into it a little bit, just to get it nice. So it's going to take a bit more working out, but that's all we've got to work with, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm just going to take these corners off a little bit, because it's always where it catches when you when you try putting it in. So if you take the corners off, it makes it a lot easier. So these poles go in there, and then what's going to happen is we've got 2 granite blocks, and then say there's posts. That's going to go all the way through into concrete as well. So we'll put it in concrete, in granite block, then we'll fill this up with some probably some really runny cement, and then they'll sit on there, flush, drill an hole through the bottom of there, and then it'll stop it from going anywhere. It'll look like this, but we might put a chamfer on here. I might do on other blocks because it's got quite a few of them. So I might put a chamfer on here so it drips in and out, just to stop it going inwards. So we might test one out, and then we'll see customer and see if he likes it's better with chamfer or not. But I don't really want to chamfer this one yet because we'll have to re-drill a hole if he don't like it. So we'll do another block first. We'll chamfer that, and then we'll see what it looks like. So what do you think? I think that's better, because with it being flat it can seep in, so with angle it'll just drip onto that then out. That's what we're hoping for. So I'm hoping he's going to choose these because I've already done 2 now. Right, next. Tim's just finishing them holes for that post. I've got his blocks, drilled an hole in concrete, I've just washed it out. And this is just cement and water that we're just going to use for grout. I'm just going to put that in. And we'll put his bar in. There we go. That's one set in. And then once we get this, that's it. Once we get the stone on and the thing, it'll give us a bit of wiggle the room because it'll take a while for it to go off with it being watery. Then hopefully we can get it all on and it'll all set then once we get it all in all ready. Watch your hand. I can't do it with one hand. I can't do it with one hand. You put it on. There we go. Right. Do you want to get post now and guide it in? Yeah? Looks alright, doesn't it? 3. That's we had it more forward. That's what we drilled that hole for. Then we realised it was a bad idea in brick, so we set it back a bit for concrete. So we had a good fixing into concrete. Heavy that, Tim?
A little bit.
So yeah, you're good. You line that one up, I've got this.
Yeah, it's lined up.
Is it?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. bit of a view from the top. We just cut that out. Move your arm, Tim.
Oh, my bad.
We just cut that out. We're just half lapping these, and then we'll put the posts underneath like we have done on the inside. We already got that one in. Nice view at river. Look, sun's just come out. So absolutely chucked it down this morning. So we ended up getting roof tiles round.
Your mates are here.
Cows. Right, yeah. So we're just gonna bob this in, and then we'll have to sort rafters out for this side. They're all going to be cut different because we've gone from 3x9s to 6x6s, so it's a completely different roof to make really. Right, go on then, see if it fits, Tim. Today. It's alright, you're on TikTok.
No, I had some crack on my phone when I sat my ass. Be a nice replacement screen that way, innit? 300 bloody quid.
Yeah, come on, put the wood in the hole.
That's what she said.
Square it up. Yeah, it's not far out, is it? No. Looks pretty level to me, like.
I'm sure it would just...
So that is it. We've got the frame up, and we've just got these stones on inside to do. Finish that off probably on a rainy day, probably. It's going to do a lot of raining soon, so we'll get felt on first, I think, and then finish that afterwards. But yeah, it's all looking smart. Really pleased with this porch. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next one.